Welcome to another HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to show you further possibilities when working with point clouds available from HiCAD 2022. As in the previous version, the size of the point cloud can be edited via clipping. Dragging the size of the rectangle with the points or the arrows changes the displayed area. Only the areas necessary for designing remain visible. To illustrate further functions of the point cloud, I'm redesigning the entrance area of the underground car park so that we can facilitate the transport of bicycles. The quickest way to do this is to use the subtract function. In practice, you would probably remove the handrail on one side and additionally attach a rail to the floor to make it easier to push bicycles up and down the stairs. The rectangle area defines the size of the subtraction. As with the clipping box of the entire point cloud, the size can be adjusted by drag and drop. Nevertheless, it makes sense to choose the size of the subtraction directly through the optical feedback of the point cloud. In this way, as you can see in my example, the adjustment of the subtraction can be reduced to a minimum. Instead, it is better to use another subtraction to remove the post afterwards, for example. Since in reality there are not only parallel directions to the coordinate system, the area to be subtracted can be brought into the required shape and position by rotating and moving. The number of subtraction is not limited. This allows areas to be adapted very precisely. For the removal of the railing post, I use another clipping box to hide it as well. Again, the functions are identical, and by a clever selection nothing has to be edited here in this case. If a subtraction is completely incorrect, it can be removed via delete subtractions. As an optical feedback, the clipping box that is to be deleted is magenta colored. At this point I would like to show you another plane from points function. When using a free selection of points, at least 3 points are required to define a plane. With further points, the whole process can become even more precise. By deleting, however, I would stick to my first 3 points. We would still have the possibility to define the plane with a different orientation through orthogonal and parallel. Finally, I display my prepared ramp to show you in the sheet area what has happened here. Here you have the possibility to define views with a new caption. This caption inserts the attribute, the name D, and the arrow. When I click OK, the arrow points from where the whole thing is displayed, and by Zoom to View you can jump back to the view from which the whole thing was created. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.